Hello and welcome to Carlisle Audi. I'm going to give you a tour around this approved used Audi A1 S-Line Sportback finished in the optional Python yellow. All of our previous vehicles come with 12-month extended warranty, 12-month roadside assistance and a pre-delivery inspection. Onto the vehicle now. It's a 1 litre petrol sporting a 6-speed manual gearbox. The colour is absolutely stunning on this, you don't see it very often. Really standing out. And it's sitting on those 17-inch 5-spoke design alloys which add to the sporty exterior style, and I'm sure you'll agree. You do also have the S-Line badging on the side. Give you a quick look at the rear interior. Got that half leather interior, very comfortable to be in. You do also have the ISOFIX points located in the rear seats, as it is a family friendly vehicle. You do have plenty of legroom in the back there as well. To the rear now, you do have your rear parking sensors, perfect for those who struggle with the reverse parking, as it does allow confidence. And as we open the boot now, you can see you are able to fit a nice amount of shopping as well as your bags. Very practical amount of boot space there, especially for the size of the vehicle. Give you a look at the front interior now before concluding the 360 tour. That very modern dashboard, nice sporty design. You do have the front sport seats with the S-Line embossing gripping you very nicely. These are very comfortable, I must say. That concludes the 360 tour. I'll now go in depth on the interior features, give you a nice look around. Into the driving seat now. You've got your full electric windows and electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors. You've got all your lighting controls as well as your central lock-in. Onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel now. On the left hand side you've got your display controls, and on the right you've got your Bluetooth and audio. You do have the S-Line detailing on the bottom there for a nice added finish. And as we move just behind the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control, which is fantastic for those longer motorway journeys. It's currently on 28,054 miles, and it does come equipped with the Audi Virtual Cockpit, allowing you to view your multimedia features with a touch of a button. And these can also be displayed on your central touchscreen display. On here you've got access to your DAB radio, AM and FM. You do also have your Apple CarPlay. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It's nice and easy to do. Got your Audi Drive Select on there, all dependent on your preference and terrain. Got your standard Bluetooth connectivity, again nice and easy to set up. As we move down now, you've got a nice and easy to use air conditioning panel with your heated rear windscreen. You do also have your 12-volt socket as well as 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge smartphone devices via USB. You've got your 6-speed manual gearbox and 2 cup holders with your handbrake there as well. If you would like any more information regarding this approved used Audi A1 S-Line, or for a personalised finance quote, please give us a call on 01228 371 516. Thank you.